What if I tell you that you can watch your favorite videos and make money online at the same time? We all watch videos every single day. We spend hours jumping from one video to another on YouTube and other video platforms. But what if I tell you that you can make money when you are watching your favorite show or listening to your preferred music? Well, this might sound like a dream to many of us, but in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can watch videos and make money online at the same time. This strategy can be used by all of us no matter where we live. In the United States, the Philippines, India, or Pakistan. Well, as long as you have a laptop or smartphone and you want to make money online, this method is what you need. Well, you can make up to $4 for every video you watch. How cool is that? The beauty of this strategy is that the earning potential is unlimited. You can make $4, $40, or even $400 every day from only this website. To be honest with you, I spend a lot of time on YouTube watching different videos every single day. This helps me learn new strategies on how to make money online and share them with you on this channel. I was extremely surprised and happy when I learned that this website pays you for simply watching videos. I wish I knew this before. Before we go any further, this is Priya. Welcome to our channel where I teach you methods and how to make money online. Feel free to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to smash the like button. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. This is probably one of the easiest methods to make money online this year. It's a passive income strategy, which means that you don't need to work all the time on your laptop or smartphone to make money out of it. Just set it and forget it. Make sure to watch the video until the end as I'm sharing with you some tips and tricks on how to double up your earnings. Many people don't make money online because they don't follow the exact steps. No worries, I will share with you the entire method on how to make money watching videos online. Just make sure to watch the video until the end, so you know everything about this method. First, I want you to go to twitch.com. Whether you are a gamer or not, I'm sure that you are familiar with this platform. It's a video live streaming service that focuses on video games, live streams including podcasts, and even esports competitions. I love watching videos on Twitch when I'm having my lunch or dinner. It will be cool if we could watch videos and make money online at the same time. This is going to be a super exciting video. Make sure to watch it till the end. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It means the world to me. First, I want you to click on the Browse button. This will take you to the page where all the video categories are listed. You can find many entertaining videos which are being watched by millions of people at the moment. There are plenty of categories to choose from. For example, you can see videos about music, sports games, etc. The strategy we are covering today could be used in all the categories. In general, the gaming category is the most popular here. You can see many gamers from all over the world playing their favorite games. These videos attract a lot of attention every single day. I want you to go to the game category and then choose Fortnite, which is the most popular game played on Twitch. If you're not a gamer, it's totally fine. You can choose another category. The steps are exactly the same. I want you to look for Fortnite game section where you can see a lot of videos about this popular game. You can notice that this section has more than 80 million followers. That's incredible. Let us know in the comment section the game you enjoy playing these days. Personally, I am not a gamer, and yet I prefer PUBG over Fortnite as I find it more realistic. First of all, we need to choose a video from this list. You can select the most popular video by using the filter option to rank the results based on the number of viewers. Alright, let's select this video for example. If you are familiar with the game, it will be an easy task. Once you have chosen one, I want you to scroll a little bit down and hit on this button. It will allow you to share this video with other people. You don't need to have a social media account with thousands of followers to use the strategy. I will show you how you can share this link with millions of people for absolutely free. Next, I want you to click on Share and then Copy to Clipboard. That will allow you to copy the direct link to this video. You can share it with your friends who are interested in Fortnite. I am sure they will like it. Well, you can do that later because that's not how we are going to make money today. Now moving on to the next step, I want you to go to this website, which is 3woke.io. It is going to be the website that we will be using today to make money online. It is a platform that allows you to make money from shortening website links. It takes you only 3 steps to make money here. You just need to create a completely free account, then generate a link, share it around, and make money, that's all. I'm going to show you how to do the whole thing, and on top of that, I am sharing with you some exclusive simple tricks that will help you double up your earnings. If you visit the payout rate section, you will see how much money the website is paying people every single day. The payment depends on where your visitors are coming from. You can get up to $5 if the visitors are from Tier 1 countries such as Australia, US, and the UK. This is the rate for 1,000 clicks, but it won't be difficult to achieve considering the strategy I'm revealing in a moment. But regardless of where your visitors are coming from, you will still make money. But I prefer targeting Tier 1 country for more profit. But I leave it to you. Let's click on Sign Up to create our account. It takes less than a minute to do. Just fill up your name, email, and password and you're good to go. This is the dashboard of our brand new account. Remember the link we copied earlier? Let's paste it right here, then click on Shorten to get the link that we are going to use to make money. Now it's time to share the link around. You can post them on Facebook groups or Twitter, but you probably need a high-quality traffic source that is consistent and trustworthy. I suggest you write some engaging posts about Fortnite and add the link to the relevant video on Twitch using the short links. You can find content that is ready to use on platforms such as TrueAchievements.com. You can then edit it and include your links, then post it on another popular gaming forum such as GameHag.com. People will be excited to a video about their favorite gamer. The article will be there forever and Google search engine will pick it up, so you will have a consistent source of traffic that is completely free. The other strategy is answering Fortnite-related questions on Quora, and including your short links. You will be paid every time someone clicks on the link, and guess what? The links will always be there, and you will keep getting money as long as people are visiting your links. How amazing is that? You can also tweet about it using the Fortnite hashtag that will allow you to get some high-targeted visitors from all over the world. Regarding the payment, this platform allows you to withdraw your money using different methods, such as PayPal and Skrill, and the minimum payout is only $5, unlike other similar platforms where you are required to earn at least $50 to be able to request a withdrawal of your earnings. So, what are you waiting for? Before we end this video, I just wanted to highlight that this strategy is not going to make you rich. It's just a way to make money while you watch your favorite streamer on Twitch. You can apply the exact same strategy for other types of content. As long as you are getting people to visit your shortened link, your earnings will keep increasing. You just need to think outside the box and figure out some more creative ways to encourage people to visit the links you generate. This method would help you generate some money that you can invest in more solid and passive ways to make money online. And apart from that, it's a suitable strategy for those who enjoy watching Twitch and at the same time prefer to make some money along the way. That was all for today. Feel free to check out the other videos on this channel if you are looking for more ways to make money online. Make sure to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our future money-making methods. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.